could have. I could have.
Hey folks, it's me, and I'm back at the trout fishery. Should really do this a bit. So I'm back at the trout fishery, and today I'm going to show you what the HTO French Fry can do. So here they are in their little box, and I'm gonna try some of these for rainbows. Unfortunately it's a bit cold, very wintry, and according to the fishery manager it's not been fishing great. But I'll never want to be put off, so we'll give it a run through. And hopefully I can show you how good these little lures are for trout. So here's one, that's straight out the packet. That's the one already pre-rigged, because in every packet you get a free jig head, one pre-rigged. Now I've got a little clip on my line, and there we go. So this time the net's actually ready, so hopefully I'll be able to use it. I've got some yellow tint sunglasses on, polarized ones, so I can see. Here we go, first cast. I don't know why I always kneel. That was a bite with the right on the drop. Oh, that was frustrating. Very close in, so there might be fish just throwing right up and down the edge of here. There we are. Oh wow, that was on the drop. Oh, nice one. Okay, I'm going to bring you down and show you this little guy. Not so little. Best death roll impression, huh? So here we go. Oh, you little devil. So, look, he's got the hook out. And that's of course caught on the... There's my little combo there.
I could have.
Well, and there's the rain started. I'm right back to where I started from, and like the manager said, it was going to be slow, but we got one fish and it was a cracker, it was a peach. So for getting out for a couple of hours on a catch and release ticket on a cold winter's day, bagging a rainbow on this, using the little white French fry there and the micro bullet jig head, it's ace. Like, really, really good. I don't think any other lure would have been any more successful, but this one always, for me, in a trout fishery, they absolutely love it. So I'm going to keep fishing and until I get too cold and wet, but if I don't get anything else, tight lines, and I'll see you next time.